Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. Nice to meet you. So today I'm going to be doing the Drunk Blush makeup look, also known as the hangover makeup. It was popularized by a Japanese artist called Igari Shinobu. Let me show you right here. I googled it and that's what it says. So popularized by makeup artist Igari Shinobu, and alternative known as hangover makeup. So basically what it is like you put blush over your nose and under your eyes, like right here, and it makes you look hangover or drunk, you know, flushed. I've only seen one other black girl try this out and she did a great job, but mine's gonna be a little more subtle because she went full on, like full face of makeup, like all that. So mine's hopefully be a little bit lighter than that. But first I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna do something very like simple today, nothing like too intense, because I want the blush to be like the main focus of the makeup look today. I'm just gonna be taking the After Dark palette by Bad Habit. These are the colors. It's like fall colors. Fall is my favorite season, by the way, so let's see what I'm gonna go with. And then I'm gonna go with this light right here, this light like peachy color. Just gonna put that on the whole lid. It looks like a tan color. I already did my eyebrows and my foundation because I feel like doing it on camera. I feel like it would take too much time. Okay, now that I have this on, I'm gonna go in with Cheeky, which is like this warm orangey color. I'm just gonna put that in my outer crease and blend it up. I guess I'm going for a very like subtle look today. I'm not gonna do anything crazy like I usually do. I just want to save time. It's like an orangey brown color. It's really pretty. It shows up more orange on my skin. But yeah. And then I'm going to finish it off with this color called Swipe Right. It's just like a cream color. I'm just gonna put this in right here. Nothing crazy today. Let's see. You guys might hear my daughter in the background, by the way. She's not in the room with me, but she's downstairs, but she's really loud. I mean, she's 2-year-old. All 2-year-olds are loud. So this is the eye look for today. Nothing crazy. I forgot to grab my mascara, so I'll probably do that in a minute. I'm not gonna put on eyeliner. So let's get to the blush. I'm actually really nervous to do this. I don't know if I have the right colors to do this. Not that you have to have a specific color. But this is my blush palette. It's by Juvia's. Is it Juvia's Place? I'm pretty sure. It's Juvia's Place. I'm just gonna grab a brush. This is the A7 by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm nervous. I've never done this before. I think I'm gonna take. Let's see. I think I'm gonna take Towel, which is a very orangey color, and add a little bit of Lena, which is like a pink. Just a very little bit of Lena, and they start off like this. And you're supposed to put a lot. I hope you guys can see this. I don't have really good lighting in here. I'm using natural lighting. This is how I seen the other black girl do it. Let's see. So what she did was pack it on, and she put a lot. And then she swept it under her eyes and up her cheekbones. Oh man, but I thought it was such a cute look. But I believe the creator was Japanese. correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I'm just sweeping it up to my cheekbones. I don't know if I'm doing it right, you guys. Maybe if I blend it some so it doesn't look too crazy. Put more under my eye. Up my cheekbone. Let's see. Put a little bit more on my cheeks. So I feel like that with my cheeks should have some. Maybe bring it down my nose a little bit to blend it in. Just a little bit. I think I need to put more, you guys. Let's see. How does it look so far, you guys? I may look a hot mess. I don't know. Alright, so you guys hear people talking in the background. People are loud in this house. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Do I look drunk or flushed? Alright, so I'm gonna add some lipstick on real quick. This is my lipstick. It's in a really pretty pink color. I'm just gonna do like the center of my lips. I think this is another Asian style, like they usually do with lip tint. Yeah, I created this lipstick right here. And I'm gonna put some lip gloss, which I also created. Really pretty. It's a pink with like a rose gold orange shift. I'm just gonna put this on top. Yeah, it's a pink that has like a gold shift. I probably should have wiped the foundation off my lips before I put this on, but I totally forgot. Alright, so I'm gonna go and get my mascara and my I think I will do eyeliner, and I'm gonna get my eyeliner. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put on eyeliner real quick. This is the BH Cosmetic eyeliner. I kind of don't like it because it like pours out eyeliner. So I'm gonna try to be very careful. Fix my put on mascara. This is the Pat McGrath mascara. I'm gonna bring back my Beauty Mark. I seen this, the other girl bring her, oh, she added beauty marks that she never had, but I'm gonna actually, I have one over my lip if you can see. I'm just gonna color that back in. That's it. I'm just gonna touch it so it's not like too much. Alright guys, this is the Drunk Blush look. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video please a big thumbs up. What makeup look would you want me to see me do next? Any kind of makeup look, it does not matter. Just leave it down in the comments because I'm willing to do any kind of look you guys want me to do. Alright, bye.